So once I've shampooed the hair, I always use the Resurrection CurlME, just lightly through the hair. And then it just helps to detangle. When all the tangles are out, I start to rough dry before I add the Boost Me in. On Charlie, I'm going to use the smaller of the 3 barrels. So this will just create a nice big blow dry. Lots of volume and lots of curl. For me, I always section off. I try and make my blow dries that as easy as possible. I always section off behind the ears, so you get like a nice clean section. If your sections aren't clean, then it just makes everything hard work. And then I section up the back, and then that gives us 2 clean sections to work with, first of all. Come round to the sides, and I always take from the start of the widow's peak, because then that gives us another clean section to work with. And then once that side's, I do the top, and then it just leaves us a nice big section on top to finish off with. So for the fringe, I'm going to use the medium barrel, just so the fringe isn't as tight and you get more of like a flick rather than like a tight curl around the face. So once all the barrels are in, I always lightly dust over with a little bit of hairspray just to help them set until they're cold. Taking them out, I always clip first and then hold either side and pull up and catch. Always then comb over again with the brush just to smooth any fly aways. Run over my finger, and that's when you get that nice curl. And then I always go in the order that I put them in. So back, sides, then the top. If you find that any of the hairs are catching, that's usually because the hair's not dry enough and the root's not dry if you're finding it's getting caught at the root. So when you're drying, really concentrate on making sure the root is dry, because if the root's not dry, your whole blow dry is going to collapse within minutes. So once it's all finished, I just finish off with another light dusting of hairspray. I always use like an aerosol hairspray rather than like a pump hairspray, just because it's light and not gonna wet the blow dry back down, if that makes sense. It just keeps everything, it's more like a dusting rather than soaking it again.